Okay, so we're going to take a look at the creating progress invoices within a contract project. We'll have to break this up into multiple videos because this process is kind of long and involved. But we'll get started here. From the home page, navigate to the Contract Projects module by using the Projects dropdown from the main menu, which is in this area on the left of the screen. Select the appropriate project so that you're on the main contract page. How a contract project works, basically, is we lay out here in the schedule values the phases of what we're charging for this project. And then in the progress invoice, we establish what percentage of work was completed from month to month. A few things to note before we start creating the invoice. You will see the schedule of values that we created when you first created this project. And you can also see a couple of change orders have also been applied here. We're going to go first to create a pay application by selecting it from the Add to Project drop-down button, because a pay application is just another term for a progress invoice. Once we get to the pay application, you'll see that this is all auto-filled with the client info and the specific job info. The invoice number is basically your job number dash your pay application number. In this case, we've already applied one pay application to this project, so it shows pay application 2 here. Retainage is set up in the project setup screen, but it can be changed here if needed. Basically, retainer is what we can charge for that month. We'll withhold 10% of that each month, and then bill that retention at the end of the project. This is a standard practice in construction. So then, we're going to set this period ending, which we'll set for December 30th. We'll leave invoice date, terms, and due date as is. In Part 2, we get into the details of the invoicing for this pay action.